to use Fragranza car diffusers. It's easy peasy. By the way, I am Marine's Wash, and that's my name. Moving forward, here are the 5 simple steps on how to make your car smell so good with Fragranza. First step, open this pretty wooden cap. Yeah, like that. Second, remove this inner plastic stopper. Oh, did you smell that? Going back, we have the third step. Just close the wooden cap, just put it back. You don't have to make things hard for yourself. Then, fourth step, invert the bottle to wet the cup. And that's how you're bringing scent of victory in your car. Lastly, hang it. And those are the 5 simple steps on how to make your car smell so good with Fragranza. Bye!